8170 Wildman, Wildman, Wildman. Ain't nobody but Copperhead, Copperhead, Copperhead 295 on this mud duck in the mall, putting that cheeseburger with that radio chick in the back seat, no doubt. Tell that old heart attack in the sack to take the back seat. Tell that old heart attack in the sack that old cheeseburger get in the back seat. Copperhead 295's driving this bus.
Hey, 295, very good down here. Very good down here. Copperhead, Copperhead, Copperhead. Seven choice down here in Kingman, Arizona.
That's right. Tell that old rotten heart attack in the sack get in the back seat. I'm driving this bus today. I wish I knew where that old good-looking Tijuana mama was at this morning. I've been trying to get in that Tijuana mama's radio this morning. I don't know where she's at.
Hey, watch where you're pointing that thing. Bazooka to a 19. I don't know, man. They lost that yesterday, but I don't know where they're at today. I was here in Copperhead in there in between your key-ups, man. Your keys are big down and taking everybody out. Freaking, that's a DX killing radio there, man. Like I said, you brought a bazooka to a nighttime.
Good morning time to you, 458, running a great shaky. Good morning time to you, 458, Copperhead 295 with the wave.
Hey, Alabama skid shooter. How about that Alabama skid shooter? One coming on Wildman trying.
8458, I had you in there for that 170 Wildman. He come up in there, took over my radio. 8458, run a great shaky. Copperhead 295, trying to get a wave to you, break.
30 something, he's gone. Where'd that Alabama skid shooter go?
He went in the back seat. A170, he took a back seat of the Mud Duck Express. I told you who's driving this bus today. Copperhead 295's gone.
What's he doing in the back seat?
Well, he's doing what Indiana's going to be doing later on when the cats tear him apart. He's going to be back there with the crying towels.
There ain't no sense getting in the back seat if there ain't nobody back there with you.
Oh, there's a whole bunch of them back here with him. There's that 458 Great Shaky. There's that 141 in the Sin City. There's Cheeseburger and a bunch of other ones back here with him.
He's got all those guys back there on top of him. Oh man, I feel sorry there for the old Alabama skid shooter there. Got all those people back on. Look at you, little Troy.
Yeah, I got a little bitty, one of them little kiddie pools back there in that back seat, filled up with water where all them ducks can swim around back there. Feel like you're in a big old network of friends.
That boy there on Facebook, oh my God, I tried to go to heaven.
A1 170. Hey, if you do hear that old mud ducking skip shooter in there, pass that old friendly 5 for me there, will you? I'm looking for that good looking Tijuana mama down around San Diego. How about that good looking Tijuana mama down around San Diego? Copperhead 295's looking your way.
Hey, Alabama skid shooter. Somebody said you were in the back seat of the car.
That's right, that old Alabama skip shooter's taking a back seat today. Copperhead 295's driving that bus.
Well, you taking a back seat to Uncle Johnson over there, Alabama. Have mercy.
Yeah, that's right. I'll have a little mercy on that Alabama skip shooter. Tell that Alabama skip shooter I'll have a little mercy on him. I'll get off the key for a minute or two, let him get some good Dixon in there, so he won't feel too bad and too lonely out there in that old mud duck.
Let's just hope you don't hit a bump in the... Your shotgun out here in Idaho, we're trying.
That old shotgun out there around Idaho. Good morning time to you, Copperhead 295, right back. How about that old shotgun? How about that old shotgun up there around Idaho? Copperhead 295, waving it back to you, break.